from here. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. There's so much. I can't even open the door. Whoa. Like a lot more snow. My tree fell over. I'm gonna tell my brother and his friend. This is so scary, guys. But not that scary, but it's scary. So let's look at the thing. So bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Comment of this crazy blizzard. Bye.